If your Temu free gift code isn't working, and you're seeing nothing happen, no reward screen, no confirmation, no activation, you're probably missing one very specific step, and it's not the code itself. Before we go further, I've placed the working Temu free gift code right here on screen. It's also in the description and pinned comment, along with backup codes that are still active. Now here's the real issue. What most people do, they open Temu normally, they scroll around, they maybe add something to cart, then they try to enter a free gift code, and Temu does nothing. Why? Because by that point, the app has already categorized your session as standard shopping mode, not promotional entry, and free gift logic doesn't activate inside a regular browsing session. The one step you're missing. You have to activate the promotional entry before Temu loads normally. That's it, the order matters more than the code. Here's how to do it correctly. Step 1. Close the Temu app completely, not minimized, fully closed. Step 2. Click the first link in the description. This signals Temu that you're entering through a free gift promotion. Step 3. Scan the QR, if on phone, or use the manual activation option. Only after that, open Temu again. Now you should see a promotional layout instead of just the regular homepage. That's confirmation the event triggered. Why this step is invisible. Temu doesn't tell you, hey, you entered wrong. It simply behaves like a normal store, which makes people assume the code expired, the offer is fake, the system doesn't work, when really, the promotional trigger never activated. What happens when you do it right when entered correctly? Free gift interface appears. Event structure loads. Required interactions become visible. Rewards become eligible, not instantly handed to you, but properly activated. Why this explains everything. This is why. Some people unlock rewards easily, others say it never works. Same code, different entry order. So if your Temu free gift code hasn't worked before, don't change the code first, fix the sequence. The one step you're missing is the promotional entry trigger. Try it again the correct way, and if it activates this time, comment what you see. I want to know if that fixed it for you.